Pakistan's democratic experiment proved a bitter one. Bhutto and Nawaz Sharif both managed to get elected to the slot of Prime Minister twice each, but were sacked from power on charges of corruption and misrule. Both failed to complete their terms in the office. Many call 90s a lost decade. In May 1998, Pakistan carried out its first nuclear test to match similar nuclear explosions by arch-rival India. These tests resulted in international economic sanctions being slapped on the country. On a positive note, Pakistan became the first nuclear-powered Muslim state. In October 1999, Nawaz Sharif's attempt to sack the Chief of Army Staff, General Pervez Musharraf, resulted in a bloodless military coup. Many Pakistanis welcomed the military takeover and celebrated, but most political parties condemned the move.
You are aware of the developments of the past few days.
General Musharraf declared himself the chief executive of Pakistan.
I, General Pervez Musharraf.
The 11th of September attacks on the United States once again transformed Pakistan from a pariah state to Washington's key ally and a frontline state in the so-called war on terrorism.
To be with the United States, to fight terrorism.
General Musharraf's decision to support the US-led war ended Pakistan's diplomatic isolation, and along came handsome economic dividends. The country witnessed robust economic growth during the Musharraf government, resulting in considerable increase in middle class and consumerism. By the end of 2007, Benazir Bhutto and Nawaz Sharif made a comeback in the Pakistani politics, mobilizing the political base once again. The assassination of Benazir Bhutto on the 27th of December 2007 put a question mark on the future of democratic leaders in Pakistan. The following general elections in February 2008 brought Pakistan People's Party into power, another jittery start of democracy. Despite upheavals and challenges over the last 61 years, Pakistan's economy has grown 18 times larger than it was in 1947, with an average annual growth rate of 4%. For a country that had hardly any factories or mills at independence, there are now vast industrial areas and vibrant trade and commercial centers. Though the population has increased fivefold from 30 million in 1947 to an estimated 165 million in 2008, the country has still managed to bring some development and modernity to many of its backward regions. Today, Pakistan marks 61 years of independence, and while many lament its checkered political history, others say the country has come a long way. The creation of Pakistan itself was an act of high faith of the people and a gesture of dedication to the realization of the dream of a better future. It amounts to an implicit pledge on the part of every Pakistani that they will uphold the honor of the country and augment her strength for the good. Happy Independence Day.